The new plant in Jimo went into operation in November 2014. The new plant aims to build itself into the first-class truck production base in China. FAW Qingdao adopts the leading auto production technologies. High quality, high efficiency, high flexibility equipment is utilized in the highly automated and highly intelligent production line so as to meet the needs of the end users. Every truck produces is of highest quality and provides the best protection to the drives. The pressing line provides quality guarantee and efficiency. All welding, gluing, moving, and testing work are finished by the 153 robots. The system is employed in the automated welding line. Servo spot, welding guns. Laser on-spot testing system guarantees the welding accuracy. Painting quality is highlighted in the production process. The latest high-quality ED paint is used as the primer paint base, providing the car lever anti-corrosion for FAW Qingdao trucks. Automated top coat painting system. Keeping the best surface gloss for the cab top coat paint. High quality manufacturing for both the heavy load and lightweight frame. Leading technologies utilized in side member rolling. The advanced technologies utilized in the assembly line guarantee the vehicle's quality. Technologies utilized in the 370-meter long trim line guarantee good cab sealing. 2 assembly lines, 564 meters in total length, both by U-shaped layout. FAW Qingdao demands the highest QC standards in the whole production process. Raw material and parts are lab tested and highly insured. Every truck is reliable with good performance by the online measurement, finished vehicle detection, and the test track. Perfect R&D capacity supports us to walk towards higher vision, providing Qingdao customers with vehicles with adaptability to different applications. Besides advanced technologies and manufacturing process, Qingdao cares about operation concept innovation.